Hi, I'm Molly, a registered physiotherapist here at Proactive Pelvic Health, and today I want to talk to you about the jaw, specifically the TMJ. The TMJ is this joint right here, sits right in front of the ear, and if your finger's there, you might actually feel it move with jaw movements. So this includes mouth opening, mouth closing, lateral deviation when your jaw moves to the side, as well as protraction, moving forward, and retraction, moving the jaw back. With those movements, you might feel or even hear a clicking or a louder clunking or even grinding sensation sometimes in the TMJ. If those things are occurring and they become bothersome to you, or they're accompanied with pain or other symptoms such as headaches, a lot of neck and shoulder tension, and even pelvic floor symptoms, then this is something that you should probably get checked out. There's a lot we can do in physiotherapy to help retrain movements, look at posture, learn new exercises to help relax the jaw if the muscles are a little tense and tight, and learn about functional relief as well in terms of activities that might be causing pain, like eating, yawning, talking for long periods of time, and chewing, right? And so if any of those things are resonating with you, then likely a TMJ assessment would be a good idea. When you come in, we'll take a look at how the jaw is moving, right? I'll feel the muscles around the face and the jaw, through the neck and shoulders as well, do a postural assessment, address any strength deficits, check muscle length as well, and really get to what's going on that might be impacting your TMJ specifically. If it's accompanied with any pelvic health concerns, we can also address that as well. Or if you've already done a round of pelvic floor physiotherapy and you feel like this might be the missing link, then this is another piece of the puzzle that we can look at and address. Reach out if you feel like you have more questions about this or you'd like to check on your TMJ health.